Welcome to one of the most wonderful times of day. It's center time, it's center time. Let's create something great. I love center time because this is when we get to use what we've learned and create something great. Are you ready to catch my name? Miss Honey. Can you blow and throw your name back to me? 1, 2, 3. Caught it! I am so happy that you are here to join me for center time today. Are you ready to learn about our 1, 2, 3, 4 centers that we're going to be doing today? We are going to start off with a Play-Doh smash with the letter A that makes the ah sound. Can you say that sound with me? A. Good job. Next, we're going to be working with our pattern that we learned about, our AB pattern. And I'm going to be making a pattern using Unifix cubes and pom-poms. After that, we're going to do a number sort. Then I'm going to use my magical magnifying glass to go on a circle shape hunt. Let's turn on our brains, blast off, and let's warm up our hands so we can go create something great. All right, friends, our first center is a Play-Doh letter smash. And what we're going to do first is we're going to build the letter A. Remember, 3 little lines is all it takes. We have straight lines, and diagonal lines, and we have curved lines. And then we're going to smash it. And the pictures that we're going to smash are the ones that start with the sound, the A sound. Let's first build our A using Play-Doh. One way we can build a letter is by making snakes out of Play-Doh. So I'm going to build my diagonal line going this way using that snake. Remember, it kind of looks like a slide. Whoosh! My other diagonal line going that way. And then a straight line across. Now I'm going to do my curved line, my lowercase a. I can make another snake, but the great thing about Play-Doh is that you can make a straight line into a curved line, can't you? Woo, whoosh. Now I can make my straight line after that. All right, now for the fun part. We get to smash our A sounds. Okay, roll Play-Doh balls. Smash a ball on top of each picture that begins with the letter A or the A sound, starting with apple. Apple. Thumbs up or down? Does it start with the A sound? Apple. Yep. Smash. What's the next one? An alligator. Yes or no? I'm going to give that a yes. Alligator. This is a whale. Yes or no? W is not the same sound as ah. Here we have an astronaut. That starts with the A sound. Look at our little friendly little book. But sorry, little book. Not the A sound. Okay, guys, that's it for that center. Let's move on to the next one. Our next center is our pattern, our A-B pattern. Not again. I'm going to make A-B patterns using Unifix cubes and pom-poms, but really you can make your A-B pattern using all different sorts of things. You can even do colors using crayons. I'm going to start with my pom-poms and I'm going to do an A-B pattern using colors. I'm going to start with yellow, then blue, then yellow, then blue. Now you finish the pattern with me. What's going to come after blue? Yellow or blue? Yellow. Then what? Blue. Then yellow, then blue. So I've made an A-B pattern using colors. All right, I'm going to put my pom-poms away. And now I'm going to make an A-B pattern in a different way. I have Unifix cubes here. These are really fun because they come apart and you can put them back together. But I can't really make an A-B pattern with colors, right? Because they're all the same color. So I wonder what I could do. I came up with the idea to make an A-B pattern using numbers, the amount. So I'm going to put 2 here and 1 here. 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. What would I do next? 2 or 1? That's right, I would do 2 and then 1. Now I'm out of Unifix cubes, but what would come after 1? 2. And then I would do 1. Not again. My next center is a number center. And our number of the day was number 1. So I'm sorting number 1 by things that are number 1, thumbs up, and things that are not number 1, thumbs down. I actually, on my first card here, these are all the cards I'm going to be sorting. I have things that are number 1 and things that are not number 1. Let's start with this one. This card has the number 1 on it. Remember, 1 just looks like a stick. So I'm going to put this in the side that says number 1. This little card has just 1 apple. So that would go on the side that is number 1. Here I have a domino. Have you ever played dominoes before? How many dots is on this domino? I just see 1. So that's going to go in the 1 box. Let's look under here. What do I have here? I have a bushel of apples. And we're going to pretend that this 10 frame here is going to tell me how many apples I'm taking out of the basket. I guess I'm really hungry this day because I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples out of the basket. Oh boy, that's a lot more than 1, so that's got to go in the not 1 box. Now look at this basket of apples. The 10 frame shows that I only have 1 dot in one of the boxes, so that means I only took 1 apple out. I guess I have to put that in the 1 box. Ooh, look at all these yummy apples. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a lot more than 1. So I'm going to put that in the not 1 box. For your next center, you can go on a shape hunt around your house. And I have my magic magnifying glass to help me find things around my house that are in the shape of circles, which is our shape of the day. Before I show you all the shapes I found, or all the circles that I found around my house, I'm going to write my name on my paper. Miss Honey. Okay, let's see what I found. We know that wheels have to be in the shape of circles or they won't roll. I found this really cool race car at my house that has these neat wheels that roll really, really fast. Look at that go. So I can draw a picture of my race car in that box. I have a gumball machine also. It's a toy gumball machine that helps me learn my numbers. I found this pretend gumball in my gumball machine. It has the number 3 on it. I could draw a picture of that in this box here. Then I went into my garage and I found this tape in my garage that's in the shape of a circle. Now, tape is in the shape of a circle because it wouldn't be very easy to unroll it and take tape off if it was in the shape of like a square. If it had edges, it would be hard to get the tape off. So it's good that it's in the shape of a circle. So you can go around your house and find things that are circles. You could even go outside and then come back and draw pictures of all of the things that you find. I sure loved learning and creating with you today during center time. And if your grown-up would like to use some of the materials that we used during center time today, they can click on the link below in the description box so they can print out some of those materials, or else you can kind of make up your own at home using paper and your own materials. But I really hope you join me next time for center time and circle time so you can keep that smart brain that God gave you growing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, guys.